So today we'll discuss about how the GSM calling works in mobile application. So let's say if in case we are using the mobile application and along with that to initiate the call and to receive the calls, but we don't have IVR been activated in our account, then in that case what will happen? We just need to discuss it, how the incoming calls and outgoing calls works. So we need to discuss about that. So initially we already know that we need to just log in through our user credentials. Once we log in, the first screen that we come across is the screen. Over here we'll get a couple of ways to make the calls, like through start calling, through my campaign, through my leads, through walk-in leads, through filter. There are a couple of options where we can just use it to make the calls. Now regarding the complete user portal and the features, we have different videos for that, so we can just simply go to that particular video and we'll get a clarity. Now in this particular video we'll discuss that if IVR is not been activated in our particular account, if we are making the calls, then how the call will happen and how it goes from our SIM which has been present in our device, and if an incoming call comes in, then how we can cater that. So now I'll just have a walk-in leads. So I'll simply go to the walk-in lead. I have a number that is present in front of me, so I'll just simply click on that lead. I've already created it, so I'll simply click on call now. We have seen one thing, that once I have clicked on call now, automatically it has been redirected to the dialer of my device and the calling got started. So basically, if the IVR is not been activated in any of the lead, whenever we click on call now, automatically it will redirect me to the dialer of my phone and the call will go from the SIM which is present in my device. So whenever we click on call now in GSM calling without IVR, the call will get triggered from the SIM that is already been present in my device, in the device. Okay, now I'll just simply go back. Now we'll understand that if from that particular lead, if a callback comes in, then how it looks like. So I'll just try to make a call from the other phone to this particular number, so to check how it looks like. So we can see automatically whenever a call is coming, so a pop-up usually come in. Okay, over here the name of the lead, in which campaign the lead is present, the number, along with that the lead status and the stage is also been visible. If we just simply click on view, automatically it will redirect me to that particular lead itself, and then accordingly while being on call itself, after accepting, we can simply able to like dispose the lead also while being on call itself. Now this is the way we can just use it. Now I'll do one thing. I'll just go to that particular lead and I'll just simply change the number for a while. So I'll just change it off and update it. So that means the number the exact number that we are having, so that particular number is not been added in this database. Now again I will try to call from that number which one I do have, and then I'll see that now that particular number is not been added in the database. Now how it looks and how we can cater it, we need to discuss that. So I'll try to make the call from that number again. So let's see how it looks like. Yes, now the call is coming. Now we can see that this particular number is not been added in the database. So automatically whenever a new number is coming, then we will get an option called add as a lead. If we just simply click on add as a lead, then we would be able to like add it as a walk-in lead. So we can just simply pick up the call and we can just add it as a walk-in lead as well. So I'll just simply decline it. So there's an option to add them, and then accordingly while being on call itself, we will be able to dispose it. So there are two ways that we have seen it. If the lead is already been present in the device, in the database, then we'll be able to a pop-up will occur, and over there we'll be able to see the complete lead details and the latest status, in which campaign is present, the name of the lead, everything. But if a new if we are getting a call from a new number, from a new lead, then at that point of time we'll be getting an option to add as a lead. We can simply click on add as a lead, automatically a lead will get added, and then accordingly we would be able to, while being on call itself, we'll be able to dispose it. So that is how the GSM call works without IVR, normal SIM-based calling without IVR. Thank you.